I'm Shonna Morrison. I'm from 3C Power and Partnership in Davies and Caldwell counties, serving youth. And what I loved the best about what you brought today, Julie and Jake both, was a positive message that actually is on track to get kids doing maybe more of what they want to do as opposed to what we don't want them to do, which I think is hugely important. So
I thought it was great the way that you brought the students into the presentation by having them participate and bring their thoughts to the table. I thought that that was great. I also liked, and this is different than what I've seen before, and I think that it was new to the students, is to understand that there are more kids that aren't using substances that they believed are using substances. That was great news for them.
Mm-hmm. It's a really honest presentation, like with the kids, like, I don't know if it's okay to say, but like no BS. So basically saying this is the real deal as opposed to what you think the real deal is. Kids usually can track that and get that. So I think that's really good. Also a very non-judgmental place where it was like, oh, if this is your story, it's okay. I'm just giving you more information. So I just felt like it was a good, safe, non-judgmental, and interactive and fun thing.
I would like to bring Vive18 to my children's school, so I'm hoping to achieve that today. But I think that we could expand that, and we were kind of talking about that a little bit earlier about bringing that to more schools in Northwest Missouri.
Yeah. It's really a great message for all kids, and especially our target audience is this target audience, which is middle school kids. Really from 5th grade through 8th grade, I just think it's a really critical time for everybody to understand they don't have to go down a certain path, because once you're on the path, it can be really hard to get off. So I just think earlier the better. And